In this video, I'll show you how to attach a callout to any moving object in your footage using motion tracking in After Effects and CrispyType. Here we have a shot with a boat. Let's add a callout to it. First, we'll do some tracking. I'll add a null object, rename it to Tracker, and set its color to None so that the timeline looks cleaner. Then I'll select the footage again and click the Track Motion button in the Tracker window. A tracker shape will appear. I'll move it onto this high contrast point and run the tracking. So far so good. I'll click Edit Target to make sure the target is set to our null object. I'll hit OK, then click Apply, and OK again when prompted to choose the axes. Now our null object is attached to the point we tracked. Let's add a callout. CrispyType has a large selection of callout elements for both left and right directions, with plenty of customization options. Let's go with this one. I'll just hit Apply, and the callout appears on the timeline. It automatically comes with both in and out animations, but we don't need the out animation. So I'll open the Toolbox panel in Atom X and use Time Stretch to keep only the intro. Let me open the callout composition. Let's change the text. I'll just double-click on the text layer to edit it. This one too. And this one. I'll make the top text a little smaller and move it down just a bit. Let's shift the middle text slightly as well. And let's bring the bottom text up just a touch. Looks great. Now I want to adjust the colors to make them more contrasty. I'll make the white brighter. And let's copy that across the other text colors right away. Then I'll change the color on the text boxes as well, making those more contrasty too. And the same for the rest of the elements. Let's go back to the boat shot. Now, all we need to do is scale the callout down a bit and move it so the tip lines up with the spot we tracked. Just like that. Then we'll link it to our tracker null object. I'll hide the null object, leaving just the text visible. And that's it. We tracked a moving object, attached a callout to it, and it follows perfectly throughout the whole shot. The link to this callout is in the description. And if you want thousands more typography presets and tools, check out CrispyType. The link is there too. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!